Na mga kakeso, papunta na ako sa SM Annex.
Ang tagal natin kung pa ito, mga 2 weeks kasi wala pang stock na kaya dito nata. Ayun, tumawag si NSX na ayun na mga guys, so ngayon ayun na natin ating medium mode. Kasi pa tayo doon galing sa work, pero nakikita nyo mga peso sa mga traffic ang dadakan natin. Update ko na lang kayo later.
2 hours later.
Ito na mga kakeso, papunta na ako sa SM Annex. Naglalakad lang ako dahil nandun na nga daw yung medium mode na.
Oh my God! Wow!
Sorry. Medium mode for Hero 9. Karating lang doon ng stock. Sabi nila, medyo hinihingal-hingal.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Ugong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
alam na mga keso. Ibig sabihin, mali nga tayo.
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Nasa 5th floor na tayo at wala rito. Mukhang hindi ito yung tamang lugar. Okay, baba tayo. Baba tayo. Ayun, tama tayo mga keso. Nakita ko na. Sa 5th floor.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, approaching na tayo sa Infomax. Infomax pala yun. Yan mga kakeso. Dito tayo sa Infomax. Hello po. Si Sir Prime? Ay, ma'am. Sorry. Apo, please. Ayan, si Ma'am Prime. Kala ko lalaki. Babae pala si Ma'am Prime. Sorry. Ito yung mga accessories nila. Okay lang, ma'am.
Ako sa kasi makalat kami.
Okay lang po.
Nag-ayos kami.
Ito na ang medium mode natin. Siguro unbox natin to later. Update ko na lang kayo.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Ayun nga mga kakeso, nakuha na natin ang media mode. Ang matagal na natin pinakahihintay. Nakuha na natin. So, uuwi na tayo. At later, i-unbox natin ang media mode natin. And then, para matry na natin sa ating mga vlog.
A few moments later.
Ayun na mga kakeso, ito na tayo. Mag-unbox na tayo ng media mode natin. Yan. Yun. Manual. Siyempre, laging may manual yan. Pero hindi naman natin binabasa. Ito na siya mga kakeso. Ang Hero 8, alam ko, wala siyang foam. Ngayon, sa Hero 9, meron na siyang foam included na. Ito yung noise reduction. Pero may built-in na siyang noise reduction. Kung lalagyan mo po, malilesen pa ulit yung pagpasok ng mga noise. Ayan. Ito. Pasok na natin ngayon si GoPro natin dito kay media mode. Ito yung GoPro natin, mga kakeso. Ayan. Bago natin ipasok, kailangan tanggalin din tong parang lid para mag-fit siya. And then ipapasok lang yan dito dire-diretso. And then ito ilalak. Ayun mga kakeso. Buksan natin ang ating GoPro. Check natin. Iyon, mga kakeso. Kung makikita nyo, may kulay green. Ibig sabihin, yan nga, na sagap na natin yung sa mic. Gumagana yung mic niya. Tapos, meron mo siyang mga tatlong button dito. Dito, ipapasok yung sa mic para sa helmet. Ayan. Meron siyang 3.5M mic port tsaka HDMI out port. Yan, itong mga to, mga kakeso. Itong tatlo. Yan. So, ayun na. Meron na tayong medium mode.